Hello and welcome to Legal English. This is the General Overview course. In Class 11 we'll be looking at Alternative Dispute Resolutions, or as they're known, ADRs. My name is Professor Anthony Rosenberg. Let's start with the basics. Mediation and arbitration. We'll look at the difference of this shortly. Essentially both of these look at avoiding a lawsuit. The aim sometimes is to lower the legal costs with courts, lawyers and what have you. And the idea is to establish specific rules, maybe that would be outside a normal legal situation. So there you have the example of grandma's rules at home. The idea initially is to resolve legal disputes or issues more swiftly, kind of like Superman, faster than a speeding bullet. And the idea is to reach a more balanced decision where both parties win or lose less is probably even better. The problem is, these goals are usually not always achieved. One of these or a couple of these may not be achieved if you go through mediation and arbitration. As the last issue says, is to reach a more balanced decision. That doesn't mean that there will always be a winner, but it means that maybe both parties will lose less. Starting with mediation, let's look at what mediation is, and then we'll look at what mediation is not. What it is non-binding arbitration. It's a less formal method of alternative dispute resolution. The mediator meets with the parties to find the halfway ground. So there you'll see we have party blue, party yellow, and the green party would be our mediator. There he is. Usually the mediator is a neutral third party, and the aim is to seek an amicable solution where both parties are happy. Now you might say, well, this looks very much like arbitration, and in most aspects it is very similar to arbitration. In the United Kingdom they use a mediation information and assessment meeting known as MIAM or MIAM, and this is actually part of the business dealings if there is a dispute. And before you go to court, they often ask if you have held the MIAM or the MIAM before this, so that you can try to solve the problem without going through the